So I'm here in one of my favorite spots in NYC to unbox and look at for the first time the print paperback version of my first book, The Sober Addict. You must know that this book is like one of my children, but instead of taking 9 months to create, it took me 4 years to write. So here we go. It's beautiful. The Sober Addict, a guide on how to be functional with the dysfunctional disease of addiction. By who? Me, DC Hyden. This book is about the duality of addiction. What that basically means is that anyone who has a disease of addiction, they have two parts: who they are and their addict identity. It's the addict identity that is trying to murder them. So my book is a guide on how to defeat the addict identity and live a functional life. It's sold anywhere books are sold, and you can find it on Amazon right now. So I thank you for watching.